what is inside. So let's remove the cover and look what they have sent me from China. So
what is going on, guys, and what is going on, Koi partners? Welcome back to a new episode here on the channel. It's 2 weeks ago that I've uploaded my latest video, but today is quite a special video. I have received this box just from China from one of my friends, Rojo from Ili Koi Art, and they have sent me something really special. But before we're gonna open this one, we're gonna feed the koi and let's see what's inside, because it's quite special and unique. It's a wooden frame, so it's pretty good packed, and I'm very curious how it ended up here in Holland.
well, there we go, guys. So my friend Rojo, he sent me this package about 1 week ago, and it's already here. And I will tell you everything later how you can get something like this, because this is very special. So the box is open right now. I will get my camera at the right direction so we can film what is inside this box. So let's remove the cover and look what they have sent me from China. So it's very well packed, and wow, there she is, guys. This is handmade. And I will tell you a little bit more. We got some more presents over here. We will open everything. I will show you everything in the video. Even more like here. This is amazing. Like this, guys. More presents. We got 1, 2, 3 presents already, and the big one. I'm so excited. So let's go to the table and let's open everything up there so we can see what's inside this package.
Alright, guys, so we will open this one at the end of the video, and then I will explain how you can get one like this. It is free shipping from all over the world, so that's good to know. Wherever you live, you can order one of these products. I will show you everything, because Rojo sent me his own video of the production, how he made everything. He has paintings, statues, everything is about koi and everything is handmade. So at the end of the video I will edit also his part of his video in there, so you can see how it's made, painted, all these kind of things. Because this is a small one, pretty small. I think it's really big, but it's 65 cm. But you can get those up to 250 cm, so 2 meters and 50 centimeters. But you also can get it smaller. So we start with opening this presents, because he sent a lot of stuff. If you want to know more about Rojo, his products, Ili Koi Art, everything, all his contact details are in the description below this video. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask, because I can bring you in contact with him. So we're gonna open these things very soon. We got something in here. This is, I think, so let's start with this one. I think this is the small version of his water features. You can get this one also up to 1.50 meters, and you can get this one with the water feature in, so the fish blows out the water. Look at this. Also, this is handmade. It is amazing. So I will zoom in later so you can have a good look at all the products. So we're gonna do it a little bit quick, because it's so much. It's like Santa Claus. I feel like Christmas now with all the presents that he sent me. But I have seen how much effort and time they put into all the products they make, and it is, to be honest, quite nice to get something like this. The make is handmade and hand painted. Look at this guy. Look at this amazing Showa and Kohaku. So I think if I put this on here, I can put it on a wall. It's absolutely stunning, really beautiful. Thank you so much. So then we got the 4 in here, and I'm very curious what's inside. So let's unbox those 4 small boxes. Let's put this one away. Look at that, what we got here. We have some extra, I don't know how you say it in English, but you can put them on your keys or you can put them on your refrigerator. And also these are hand painted. So this is a very nice one, and we got more. It's even in a very beautiful present box. So if you want to give a present to someone, I would definitely recommend this one. We got another one, a very beautiful kohaku. And there we have a Tansha Showa. Oh man, I feel like it feels like Christmas right now. And we have another, I think it's Tansha Sanke. Yeah, and this is the Tansha Showa. Yeah, right. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna put this a little bit on the side, because I think this is what everyone wants to see. This one is very special, and there is a little story behind this koi. As you may know, I have a couple of fish in Japan, and one of those fishes is at the Yamamatsu koi farm. Let's open it, so then afterwards I will edit the video in there so you can understand. Alright guys, so let's open it, and then I will tell you a little bit more about the story about this koi. Tape. There we go. So guys, this is hand painted. It took 2 days to finish it, and at the end of the video you will see how they paint those statues. And if you win a big prize at a koi show, even at the All Japan Koi Show, you also receive as a present one like this. Normally that one is about 1 meter, but this one is 65. Look at this, man. This is absolutely amazing. And maybe you recognize the pattern, because this is one of my own fishes. My Yamamatsu Sanke, that is still in Asugari in Japan. This is an exact copy of it. So I'm very, very happy with the result, because it looks amazing, guys. Look at this. Rojo, thank you so much for this great present. I'll put this away. This is absolutely beautiful. So everything is painted with hand. After the painting, they put an extra layer over it, so you get a really shiny result. I'm very happy, guys. It's beautiful. Everything is in the description below. If you want to order one of these, maybe smaller, maybe bigger, one of the other presents he sent me, he has a lot of products. He even made some really beautiful paintings. I think there's one really big painting. I think it's at the Momotaro Koi Farm. I'm not sure, but it's a very big wall. I will find a photo and put it in the video. So if you want more information about this product, please let me know. I'm happy to answer all your questions. This one will get a very nice place in my living room. I'm very happy with the present, and if you want to order something, guys, go to iliart.com. I will put also the link of the website in one of the corners. I think it's this corner. So you can visit the website. Please send him a message, because if you want to give someone a koi present, you should buy something like this. Free shipping. Thank you, guys.
What's up, guys? I'm Rojo. We are Ili Koi Art. This is our studio. Today we have a job. Make models for EVO's award-winning koi.
65. 55?
We have 65 models, so let's do that. He's my partner. He painted this model. He painted kois for more than 10 years. Kilo. Hey, Kilo. Now this model has been processed once. The background color is white. Pencil and outline. Painted with our special paint. We try many different reds. This red is the most beautiful of reds. follow the outline just now. The first step has been completed. The surface outlines has been drawn. Our goal is show all the details. We will dry again. Like this koi is so young. The skins, red and black, are very young. These skins had not yet grown. We will dry these details. Now waiting to dry. It takes 2 days to complete the next step. It's time to show all the process. It's a jumping koi. Jump out the water. 115 centimeter. $110 koi model. Look at the other size models. The big one is the 215, 15, 16.5, and 215. They are rim models in the picture frame. Unfinished koi paintings. It takes 2 months to make paintings. Only this one is finished. After 2 days, this is finished product.